Good morning, YouTube. I was just doing a quick review. Let me turn this off. On the Kiss nail file. It's like the Kiss Deluxe system. I just wanted to talk about this real quick and tell you about my experiences with this nail file and this. So far, I'm going to go ahead and give it an F. I wouldn't buy this drill at all. And be careful of the drills that you are buying at Sally's because sometimes they haven't been handled in a while, excuse me, so the pieces might just come apart like my other drill. But most people who buy nail drills, they're used to maybe 4 or 5 bits at the most. The pink one, which is kind of like the fine one, maybe a buffer, and also 2 of these brown emery boards. Okay, and the brown emery boards are kind of like what you would start with after you do your acrylic. Okay, and excuse my fingers, they've been sitting in this acetone so I can soak these off. However, this set has, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 11 different nail files or just different types of files, right? You're going to find out that the one that they keep calling the emery nail files are these. They're like circular, weird files that do not work at all. In my opinion, all they do is make your make the nail, make it finer. So when I'm using this, I'm literally getting a smoothness to the nail and a shine as if I was, done and ready to buff or something. I mean, there's a couple of them that are okay, but for the most part, for you to walk away spending like $24 or $25 on this, how it is, it's really shit. It's really shit, and that's kind of like what I thought from the beginning. But I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and test this out. I also noticed that nobody really has reviews or like how to use this system at all, because you're gonna notice if you've bought nail files in the past, you're going to notice that these brown emery boards are missing, which are with any nail file that you would get. Any nail file that you would get, they always have these brown emery boards. So it has a nail dryer. The nail dryer has a setting on cool. It's cool or cold. So depending on how your nails do with cool dryers, will let you know if that's going to work. For me, it just didn't. That's pretty much all I gotta say. But just keep that in mind. That is not these the ones that they have that are just going to be coarse. The files that they have that are coarse really are not good files. At least that's what we have here. Now the other ones that they don't list as coarse, like this cone file, this is a good file. But for the most part, all of these files suck. They suck and they're terrible. You waste some money on this, and then you're gonna be like, hey, you know what happened? Like, can I get a real drill here or not? But anyways, it was just letting you know. Bye. Thank you for listening to my review. Okay, bye bye.